In this video, we're going to be talking about how mathematical modeling can help us with real-life situation mathematical problems, or just real-life problems, really. So, how algebra can be used to solve problems that occur in real-life situations is by using a two-step approach. The first step being to write a verbal description. So we're forming this verbal description, right? And we make this verbal model. And then from that, we have an algebraic equation. So we're going to try and practice this with some examples. So here in our example, we have a rectangular kitchen is twice as long as it is wide, and its perimeter is 84 feet. Find the dimensions of the kitchen. So here we're talking about length and width and perimeter. So perimeter is kind of a clue. Right? Perimeter is kind of a clue that helps us with this because we know the equation for perimeter. So let's kind of set up our verbal model. So our verbal model is that we have 2 times the length plus 2 times our width, and that's what equals our perimeter. Right? That's our equation. So we have labels. We know what things are, right? So we know that length is going to be our L. We know that width is going to be our W. And in this case, we were told that it is twice as long as it is wide. So our length is actually going to be 2 widths, right? 2 widths. So let's think of this equation because we know our perimeter is 84 feet. So we have, let's try that again, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width equals our perimeter. So 2 times our length plus 2 times our width equals 84, because we're going to plug in what we have, right? So we know that that's 2W, and we know that's 2W because it told us that that was 2W. I mean, it told us the perimeter was 84. And from here we solve. So we have 4W plus 2W equals 84, or 6W equals 84. Then when we divide by 6, we see that we have a width of 14. Now remember that if our width is 14, our length is 2 times our width, right? So length equals 2 times the 14 we just found, which is going to be 28. So we can say that our dimensions of the kitchen are 14 feet by 28 feet.